Welcome to a finished out basement, everybody. No, you have not missed a video. You haven't missed an update. My last update was from week 5 and it was posted about 12 days ago. Sorry? A lot's been going on over here, okay? It's summertime. We got a kiddo. More important things are going on. Now I did end up lumping together weeks 6, 7, and 8 because like 1 or 2 things happen every single week and that makes for a pretty boring video. So let's jump into that. The change, the transformation from the start of week 6 to the end of week 8, boom, is crazy. It's insane. I'm excited for you to see it. Here we go. Alrighty, this is where we're at for the beginning of week 6. I think that they are finishing up like the walls and the ceiling texture this week, as well as the trim. We did leave these windows open all weekend so that like stuff would dry. Alrighty, it is week 6, day 1, and we have texture on all of the walls. So that is what the guys came in and did today. I think that they said that on Wednesday, so in 2 days, they're gonna come in and like put in all of the trim work. So I think that that is the next step. And then today, our project manager comes and we're gonna talk about the tile for the bathroom. So we're putting tile on this wall and then tile on the floor. And we totally lucked out because the people who lived here before us redid their primary bathroom and they bought way too much tile, and we are actually just able to reuse all of that tile. So we're essentially recreating the primary bathroom in the basement bathroom. Alrighty, it is the end of another week in the basement and we have doors. We've got some trim work going on the bottom, and most excitingly, we have a bathroom with tile. She looks so good. So this is all of the tile that the previous owners had redone their primary bathroom with, and they had a bunch extra. So I reused all the tile. So all I had to pay for was labor. That was fantastic. And then this is the vanity that I got. There are the other 2 drawers in the bathtub. And yeah, I got this for like $160 on Amazon. So super win there. And then, we also have a door for the bathroom. Ooh la la. And then we have a door for the bedroom. And I don't think too much is going on over here. More trim work. Alrighty, it is the beginning of week 8. We're lumping 2 weeks together because last week they painted, and so we were literally just watching paint dry. But this week they say is going to be our very last week. So here's what everything looks like. We did the Sherwin-Williams, the agreeable gray. We have it on the ceiling and on the walls. It cost extra to do a different color on the ceiling. Oh, and look at this. We asked for them to put in a dimmer. Oops, sorry. We asked for them to put in a dimmer. Just gotta ask. And now we have lights over here, which is very exciting. So those lights went in last week. All of these little plugs. So the TV is gonna go there, and then all like your TV equipment goes over there. And let's see. In here, we now have our ceiling fan up. She's looking good. I do love the color in here. That was exciting. We did put a light right here. Kind of the thought here, there's that light. So the thought here was that, okay, you have your lights on over there as my parents, my in-laws, whatever, the guest is going to bed. They're walking into this hallway. They are turning off the living room lights. This light is almost just like a hallway light. If they like need to go to the bathroom or something and they don't want to walk in the dark in the middle of the night, that is what that is. So we have those two switches. And then in here, our bathroom. I think that this is going to be done today. The plumber is coming. So they're going to put together all of the shower stuff, the toilet, and then the vanity. I did have to buy the toilet and the mirror yesterday. Excuse me. So here is our toilet. The only thing that we had to think about for the toilet was the rough end. So the rough end, I had to calculate it. It's just a measurement. Is the distance between the center and the wall. So it looked like for toilets, at least at Home Depot, it was either a 10-inch or a 12-inch rough end. This was a 12-inch. And so, yeah, that was our only real requirement. And then I think we wanted not a circular bowl, but the elongated bowl. So here's our toilet. I think she's going in today. Another really, really cool thing that they did last week was they installed a motion sensor here. So I don't know how it works when it's behind the door, but it somehow still works. You can see it. Because before you like walked in and it was like pitch black and you had to like find the light switch, it was kind of creepy. So they added that in, which is honestly game changer. Love it. It's going to be amazing. So on our to-do plan for this week, literally they're going to be done this week. The dumpster goes away this week. Porta potty goes away this week. They are going to finish the plumbing. They still need to do the HVAC. People need to come again. Another inspector needs to come. We're getting carpet done. Oh, but first the carpet goes in last. So first someone's gonna come out and clean everything. And then the carpet goes in. And then we have like a random list. So like, for example, right? Like the screws need to be re-screwed in for like the window that they've been coming through every single day. So I don't know, it's like little tiny stuff that like we see. She has like little stickers that I assume are like little pieces of like where like the screws are in for the drywall that just like need to be repatched. So I think that happens like the week after, but as far as I know, May 1st, we're gonna be roughly done. Then it's just like little touch-ups here and there. So fingers crossed. Like, see, look how creepy that is. Terrifying. What I'm most excited for is for the doors to go back in and then for the carpet to go in, because these stairs are gonna be carpeted and I'm so stoked. I am so excited. Do you guys wanna see something super exciting? It's super exciting. That's carpet. Alrighty, we have carpet. It is technically the Monday right after week 8. Okay, don't come for us, okay? But we're finally done. We will talk about this wire in just a second. But look, we got doors. It's all like 99.9% done. We still have a couple of little things I'll show you. Carpet's done. Wall touch-ups are done. Everything in here. Oops, I turned on the wrong light. Everything in here is done. There's our closet. This is our radon thing. In Colorado, there's like radon in the soil and it like causes cancer or whatever. So you get like a little radon pump. And this is I'm not even gonna open it. I don't want to. It's where you read it to make sure that your radon system is working correctly. Just take my word for it. And then we had to put in a ladder for it to be like up to code or something. And then here's a little living area. And then the bathroom is officially done. We've got the faucet and everything. Hardware is up. And guess what? It works. It's a real bathroom. What? Love it. Amazing. The other thing that they have to do that's still on their list. So right above us is the kitchen. So our refrigerator is right above us. The refrigerator water shutoff thing is right here. And so they need to pop a hole in the drywall and do something similar that they did with like the radon so that we can get to it if we ever need to turn off the water for the fridge. I don't know why it's set up like that, but it just is. I feel like there's something else that needs to be done, but that is really it. Oh, let's talk about this fun little extension cord. So in our unfinished part, isn't that nice? I'm obsessed with the motion sensor light. So long story short, our treadmill cannot be used downstairs because it trips the I don't know, does something electrical and it doesn't work. Okay. So we're having an electrician come out. And he said for $250, since we already have this new guy in place, he can install something so that we don't have to plug in our treadmill upstairs. We can now plug it in down here. So that is the two things that need to get done this week. And then we're done. I mean, we're already done. We can start moving in stuff now. And back here is like the rest of storage. So I'm going to shifty all of the storage stuff around at some point, so that we have more room back here. But that is neither here nor there. The whole point is that we don't have a dumpster in front of our house anymore. And I made all my payments and we're done. Done-ish. 99.75% of the way done. Wasn't that fun? I can't believe it's already done. I'm excited. I will say that our carpet still has a new carpet smell. We've got the windows open. Everything is still kind of trying to air itself out. I don't know. Anyway, my parents are coming to stay here in the next 2-3 weeks-ish. They're not gonna have any furniture. So that's gonna be an entirely separate video where I furnish everything, I decorate everything, but I just spent $40,000 updating my basement. I don't have money for furniture right now. So they've been instructed to BYOC. Bring your own chairs, bring your own lawn chairs, bring your own little side tables, whatever. So we'll see what happens. I think I am going to put them on curtain duty. They're gonna have to hang up their own curtains. I don't think I'm gonna have time to in the next 2 weeks, but fingers crossed. I am also going to do a full recap video, hopefully fingers crossed in the next 2 weeks, kind of our process from start to finish, looking back, what did we learn, all that fun stuff. So if you have any questions on that, let me know in the comments, and thank you guys for tuning in. We're done-ish.